Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 with another picking video for you. And this is a Master Lock. This is a Pro Series model 6835. And I don't know what the body of this lock is made out of. It seems a little heavy to be aluminum, but it's definitely far too light to be steel. So I don't know if it's some kind of alloy or, it could be aluminum. But it actually seems like a halfway decent lock. Seems relatively well made. Let me show you the key for it here. Show you that it does work. And I got this lock in a trade with Jeff Moss of keypicking.com. He also has a YouTube channel. Super great guy to deal with. Very knowledgeable. So make sure to check out his channel. I just posted a video of picking one of his American locks that he sent me, a Series 10, which I had previously picked, but I figure this is a Master Lock, so we'll just go ahead and try this thing blind. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to use a homemade top of the keyway music wire tension wrench. And a homebrew 15 thousandths pick as well. So let's see what we get here. Okay, pin 1 just gave me a click. Pin 3 almost felt like it was serrated, which would be very strange. I think pin 1 just gave me another click. Okay, this thing is, I don't know if you can hear that. This thing is behaving like it has serrated pins in it, which I have never seen in a Master Lock, so that would be very unusual. I'm almost certain there's serrated pins in here. Okay, pin 5, I think I just got a bit of a false set here. Now I've got a deep false set. Pin 3, counter rotation. And there it is, picked open. That was really unusual for a Master Lock. Let's go ahead and try to gut this thing. I did previously look at the screw in here to make sure I wouldn't have to fiddle with something, and I'm glad I did, because it uses an Allen wrench and I had difficulty finding it, so did check that out beforehand. Alright, and out comes the core here. Just drop the camera. Let me get that angled down. Sorry about that, guys. This is a cheap little tripod here, and my camera just came off the mount. Alright, what do we have here? Wow! It also has a clip on this thing. I was worried that once I got this off, I was going to find that this was a sealed core, like some of the Master Locks are. This thing, the clip is actually removable. Alright, this is a very unusual Master Lock indeed. Alright. Okay, I want that rotated like that. see, is my follower going to be... Alright, got the correct size follower in here. Alright, so for key pins, that was actually pin 2 that came out. Grab my tweezers here. Looks standard, no surprise there. Pin 1 is standard. Pin 3 looks to be standard. These are not cooperating. Pin 4 is standard and pin 5 is standard. Nothing surprising there, but I think we are going to see some surprising stuff in here. So let's see what we have for drivers. Okay, we've got a spool. So pin 1 was a spool. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a spool. Maybe there's not any serrated in here. Pin 4 is a spool. And pin 5 is serrated. Or actually, you know what? I think I put these in here backwards. I think that was... No, that was pin 5. So there actually is a serrated pin in there. Let's see if we can get this in here. So we have 5 standard key pins, 4 spool drivers, and 1 serrated driver. Very unusual. Let me get closer on that. Hopefully you can see that. So Master Lock 6835. Actually a halfway decent lock with a reasonable core in it. So Jeff Moss, thank you very much for the lock, and everyone else, thanks for watching.